Okay, welcome back with another video. This is really interesting video for gamers, and I found a tool that will test your stick and stick drift auditor. You can test and you can check your uh, stick drift. Usually that how you can do with this tool. This is really simple and easiest way to do. Okay. Gamepad one you can test up to four, and first of all you should do connect controller to begin. Plug in your gamepad via USB or Bluetooth and press any button to start pedestrian diagnostic test. It will automatically detect your stick and give you a issue and find let you the problem where you are facing. Stick drift is one of the most distracting controller problem a gamer can deal with. Your character walks forward on its own, the camera rotates without input, or your menu keeps scrolling while you are trying to play. A stick drift test shows you exactly what your analog stick is doing when you are not touching it. You can see the image and it's described that this diagnostic tool reads the live XY axis value from your analog joystick while it sits at rest. A healthy stick rests at or near 0 and 0 when you are not touching it. When a stick drifts, the tool register a non-zero offset, meaning the system thinks the stick is being pushed, even though it is not. Those small offset values are what cause GHOS input and unwanted in-game movement. Okay, if your character is walking on its own, or your camera keeps drifting in one direction, this test reveals exactly how bad the drift is and what threshold you need to set to fix it. Want to check the controller, you the stick drift test and see your XY reading right now. How stick drift happen. Okay. This is the guide and properly you can understand first of all if you are a beginner gamer and you are trying to do something and fixing your controller. You can see the percentage condition impact on gameplay. Under 1% excellent, perfect center, no action needed. Typical of new or hell effect controller, 1% to 5% normal. Standard wear. Most in-game dead zone mark this automatically and 5% to 10% watch zone noticeable in competitive games require small dead zone adjustment. Overall 10%. Our 10% critical drift will interfere with character camera movement at the standard setting. Or how to use stick drift test online step by step. So first of all, you should connect and press any button, plug in via USB or pair via Bluetooth. Press any button to walk the controller inside your browser. Navigate my gameplay tester. Navigate to mygameplaytester.com. This is the website. Maintain focus on the browser tab to ensure the gamepad API provides continuous live data and then verify live input. Move both sticks ons to confirm the crosshair response instantly. If it doesn't move, restart your browser. Rest hand off. Release both sticks and let them sit naturally. Observe the XY reading for at least 20 to 30 seconds. And you can see ready to connect your controller. You can run the stick drift test online right now without installing anything. Okay, you can do here and the remaining guides why your controller drift is in game but passing the test. Temperature play a role. Who should run this test? A repair shop use this test to document controller condition before and after service. Technical can use the log to price job accurately and provide proof of repair to customer. Gamers in competitive play COD, Rocket League, and benefit from testing before ranked session. Even minor drift can cost you accuracy. Okay. Quick fix to try after your test. Clean with alcohol. Use 19% plus isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip to clean the stick base and ever product gunk. Okay. Recalibrate OS setting. Check the warranty. And then this the FAQs and don't let drift rain your rank. Okay, you can test other tools as well on this website and you can test the mouse. Let's see how our mouse test work. You can see currently click 0, gamepad, mouse MS faster and double click bounce arrow. It will detect. Okay, you can see right click, left click and see and yes, okay, you can see every speed of the click. Left refresh back. Okay, see one click. How to use the mouse test step by step. Testing your mouse at mygamepadtester.com takes under a minute. Follow the step for a full pitch diagnostic. Click main button, test side button, and scroll wheel scan. Double check, double click check. Okay, why double click is a hardware problem. Omron what versus optical. This is another guide I included here, easy for you to understand this way also. So our guide has completed. We'll meet in another video. That's all for now.